Is it the role of an usher to serve food at an event? Is it? Okay, so let's dive right into this video. Hi everyone. So in this video I'll be addressing a particular comment. This comment right here, this one says, is it ushers that serve food, or there are people assigned to kitchen post? And it was sent about a month ago. I apologize, Blessing, for delaying in responding to this very important question, but I sent an answer already to this. So it is actually no. It's not the work of an usher to serve food at an event, but it is the work of an usher to ensure guest satisfaction. Yes, we have the servers, the waiters, people that are actually paid to carry out this role. But it is your work as an usher to make sure that guests are satisfied at all times. So you see a guest sitting down without food. Probably this server has served a particular table and this guest just came in. It is your work to make sure this guest is satisfied regardless. So the same way they position ushers, you're handling this table. You're handling this table. It's the same way they do it for servers and waiters also. So it is your work to identify who the server or waiter is that is serving your area or your table and get them to attend to that guest. So two things can play out. It's either you look for them, signal them to serve the guest, or to serve a table or serve a guest that just came, or you meet the guest by yourself, offer them the menu and be like, may I take your order? If it has been like a while or it has been long before, it took time before you went to meet the guest, apologize first. Oh, I'm so sorry for the delay. May I take your order? Take their order and then get them the food. One person will not kill you. Two people will not kill you. Most times, even on your trip to where the service area is, you can even see the servers or waiters and you give them the order to help you get food. It's that simple. Just always remember your number one role is to satisfy guests. Water, drinks, food. Make sure you're satisfying the guests at all times. And then when you're done serving your area, you can as well go around and ask them, hi, is there anything you'd like me to do for you? Is there anything you'd like me to get for you? Are you satisfied? They will tell you, oh no, I'm fine. Oh yeah, I want toothpick. Oh yeah, can I get water? Oh yeah, can I get extra drink? Then you are fulfilling your responsibilities, and that's okay. So some situations you can even see that your co-worker usher is not done in her area. You can even lend a helping hand to her. The main priority is that guests are satisfied. I hope this answers your question. If you have any more questions, kindly drop in the comment section and I will definitely put an answer to them. I see you remain Lovina Emmanuel. If this is the kind of content you would like to watch, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Content on event hostessing, event coordinating, and anything in between. I'm the girl for the job. See you later. Bye.